looking for Hannah. There she is. Hey, Hannah. Okay, I'm filming. We're going down to the river.
I have to go to the bathroom.
I know. Well, John and Jack are already down there. And I'll film you while you climb down the rope. It's just muddy. Alright, girlfriend.
I have to wait to keep securely down.
Jack down at the river. John going down the rope. Hannah getting ready to go down the rope. You can probably go head on.
It will be fun. Can't hold the rope.
Are you rappelling?
Kind of. I'm bouncing.
You okay? Nope, there's no help in the wilderness. You gotta help yourself. You okay? Are you okay?
Little. Not dirty.
We'll wash it.
Promise?
Yep. Okay, watch your footing. Keep an eye on the rocks.